Hi everyone, good afternoon. Ayan, nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng room. And we have a nice view outside in our room. Pero hindi na ako magawa ng room tour ngayon kasi signapulaan na mo dahil sa akong sige room tour. But there's not much so exciting sa room. Maunang di sa ako mag-room tour. So, it's pretty basic actually. PP is too expensive. Mahal kay dito, mahal siya diri aday. And then, ito, nabayad namin sa room na to is $44 one night. So, sobrang basic lang niya. Siguro yung mga medyo upgraded gamay is nasa about 80, 90. So, ganun siya kamahal dito. Kumpara sa saan tayo sa Bali. But I don't wanna talk that now about Bali because we are in Thailand, di ba? Masig palayason tayo sa Thailand. Kanina, nag-roam around lang kami, nag-walking around doon kanina sa beach. And I mean, nag-lunch lang. And that was nice. Maganda siya. Pero, yun nga lang, parang nanibago ako dahil kasi galing ako sa country na, alam mo yung tahimik, na walang masyadong tao. And then ngayon, nandito na naman tayo sa party lifestyle, galoran. So, wala naman siyang hindi naman siya problema sa akin is kailangan ko lang muna siyang i-sink in ba na I'm here in the different country na, so I have to alam yung makisabay kung sa ganun. We have to stay here 2 nights only and we have to maghanap kami ng ibang place na pwede naming puntahan. I mean, hindi ko siya masyadong talaga. For my own opinion lang to ha. Sa mga mahilig mag-beach, sa mga mahilig mag-beach, siguro magustuhan nyo dito. Pero for me, mahilig kasi ako sa kanang, alam niyo yung beach na ma-private ba? Yung tahimik na area talaga. So, meron dito na pwede mong puntahan, tapos kailangan mong mag-rent ng boat. So, ayoko kasi ng mga ganyang sit-up day. So, for me, for my opinion is from 1 to 10 is nasa highest yung 10. Siguro nasa number 5 lang sa akin. So, mamaya lalabas kami and siguro mapasilip ko sa inyo ng konti kung anong kaganapan natin. And medyo kasi kaning sobrang building dito dahil kanang overrated. Ano ba tawag doon? Basta kay over. Kuha na siya ba? Na kanang grabe na gid ang overbuild. So man, overrated, overbuild. So kayo na dahil. Quick check to our room. It's very basic. And that's the basic number 1.
Did you find a better room?
Wala pa. The room here is very... So how much you gonna rate, Pepe?
This is the most expensive place in Thailand.
How much you gonna rate here?
Hmm?
How much you gonna rate in Phi Island from 1 to 10? My rate is 5. And yours?
Yeah, we're about the same. It has been ruined a lot, the island. I mean,
5.
nature-wise, it used to be a 10 out of 10, but now they fucked it up pretty much.
Atay, my love, you have to rate it more high because they give you 60 days visa.
That's nothing to do with the island.
Bitaw mga antikels. That's our rate. But let's see, maybe tomorrow, tonight, we go roam around, maybe we change our rate. Charis. Let's see tomorrow maybe. Hala. Be careful. Be careful. You don't fall it down. Ay, nangka. So, we have the nice sunset. Oh la la. Akala namin walang sunset tonight, but we do have sunset. That was nice. Welcome to Pipi. So, yan yung view natin sa likod. Look at the sunset. Guys, nag-waiting sila guys, nag-line. It must been really good. Full na guys. Thank you. We got our tuna. Appetizer. Okay, what may gigutom na eh. Nice, oh. Ni hao, matching ka. Chungka la. Ay, sige diri, oh. Ay, ganahan ko diri, aday. Gusto ko dito. Mga antikels. Awang boat. Uy, mga antikels, nag-wonder ko, bakit nilagyan nila ng mga ganyan? Ano kayang ibig sabihin yan? Comment down below kung alam nyo. Ayun din, oh. Tignan nyo. Lahat. Lahat boat merong flowers. I'm sure there's a meaning on it. What is it? My love, what is the meaning of this? Huh? What is the meaning of this? Why they put a flower in front? Ay, para daw sa good luck daw og safety. Ito, maganda. Sumugunit ka para mag-good luck po tag safety.
You're where I